In this specific video, I'm going to reply Aaron's post. We have the same idea in terms of globalization, even though Aaron's favorite chapter of HCE is chapter 2. Aaron pointed out that one culture may have a lower value in another. This point really intrigued me because of my personal experience. As everyone can tell that I'm a foreigner, the main values, culture, and morality are different in my home country from Western countries. For example, in China, we believe that good-mannered people should be modest or humble in front of strangers or guests. Even though they have something unsatisfied, they won't tell you directly. You have business negotiations with Chinese. If you can understand our ethics, you may get mad that why they don't tell me their final condition directly, why it's so hard to understand their real feeling. Or I can't accept that people actually believe these ideas. But this is our part of culture or ethics, because we think it's so rude that you order something directly in front of strangers. It means you don't care others' positions or feelings. We prefer to tell our real feeling after people get familiar or give them some hints, let them make sense by themselves. In chapter 2 of HCE, the writer pointed out that our own ways are not the only ways to achieve goals. Moreover, we also can predict what some people in an actual situation will do, depend on our own experience. Thus, in this globalized world, what we should do is learn this diversity of ethics, rather than ignore or avoid these differences. And it's more important for communication practitioners that we should consider this diversity in a given situation before we take actions.